Good morning, children. Open your textbook, page number 118. Page number 118. Last class we did know, children, what comes just after the given numbers. Today, what comes just before the given numbers. Before numbers. Now we are going to learn before numbers. What comes just before the given numbers. First one, 630. Second one, third one, 634, 461, 823. Now dash 854, 790, 229, 549, 927. Before number means back number you want to write, children. 326, back number what will come? 320, same in 6 will change 5. Understood? 325 after will come 326, like that. This is the back number. 630. Before number is 630. Before what will come? 29. 629. 634. 633. 461. 460. 823. 822. 822. See, once again I will repeat, children. 326 before number is 325. 630, 629, 634, 633, 461, 460, 823 before number is 822. Here 854, 853, 790, 789, 229, 228, 548, 926. Now read 325, 326, 29, 30, 33, 34, 60, 61, 22, 23, 53, 54, 89, 90, 28, 29, 48, 49, 26, 27. This is before number. Now between numbers, between the given numbers. Write the numeral, page number now 119. Write the numeral which comes between the given number. First one, 728. Second one, 789, 791. Third one, 430, 431, 2. Fourth one, 569, 571. Fifth one, 400, 402. Now 654, 656, 863, 865, 326, 328, 299, 301, 963, 965. See now children, last class, see last mean what we did before number. Last class what we did after number we did. This one middle number. Between number you want to write. 728, middle number is 729. After 729 what will come? 730. Like that you want to write. 789, 790, 791, 430, 431, 432, 432, 569, 570, 571, 400, 401, 402. Now 654, 655, 863, 864, 326, 327, 328, 299, 300, 301, 963, 964, 965. This is the between number children. See properly, write neatly. After 728, 729, 730. Like that, say and write children. Now we'll go to 3. I'll give 2 minutes to write neatly. 3 digit. Now next main is 3 digit number on abacus. See, for this you want to take rough note children. For example sums you want to write in the rough note. Example sum you want to write in the rough note. Only textbook sums you want to write in the textbook. Now take a rough note. 3 digit number on abacus. See, first point is for abacus. From right, see, this is the first, draw the line. With the help of scale, you want to draw the line, children. Don't use with hands only, you don't put the line. Use the scale. See, this is abacus instrument, like this. First one is from right to left, the first spike shows ones. See, this is the right to left. This spike shows ones column. This spike shows tens column. Second spike, this is the second spike children, that is tens. This is third spike, this is 100. So what we will write down? 100, tens, ones. Once again shall I repeat children? The first spike is there, that is ones. Second spike is tens, third spike is hundreds. In first spike, see the picture there. In first spike, how many beads are there? That is pink color, no children? You want to count the beads. See, this is example 1. See, now count the beats. First spike. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In first spike, that is one's number, one's 5 is there. In one's column, 5 beats are there. In tens column, 1, 2, 3. That is second spike. In third spike, hundreds column, 1, 2, 3, 4. So what will come here? 435. Therefore, the abacus shows the number 435. 435. Understood, children? That is 400, 3 tens, 5 ones. Shall I repeat once again, children? See, this is the first spike, second spike, third spike. In first spike, how many bits are there? 5 bits. In second spike, 3 bits are there. In 100 spike, 4 bits are there. Therefore, they will come 435. See, 400, 3 tens. In 3 is in tens column, no children. So 3 tens, 5 ones. 400, 3 tens and 5 ones. We'll call like 435. Understood, children? Like the, another one I'll give one. One more example. When you are doing in the rough note only, no, you want to take scale, draw the lines neatly. Understood? This here. First spike shows ones, second spike shows tens, third spike shows hundreds. See the first spike, how many bits are there? 1, 2, 3. In second spike, no bits are there. So what you will write here? 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we will call 503. If no beats, you will put 0 here. If beats is there, you will count and write this one. See, in first spike, 3 beats are there, you will return 3 here. In second spike, no beats are there. So 0 you will write. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 100 spike, 5 is there. What will come? 503. Now close your rough note, take textbook. Page number 119. Page number 119, exercise number 2. Exercise number 2. They already given abacus instruments. You want to write the numbers and number names. First one is like this, no children. First one, second one, third one. In for one's column, how many bits are there? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. In second spike, in first spike, how many bits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. In second spike, 1, 2. In third spike, 1, 2, 3. Count the bits, children. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. See, bits, tens, ones. Now write number here. See, already they given one dash, no children. Number. After one dash is there. Write the number 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Back you want to write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 624. Number name how you will write? Already I explained last class only on how to write number names, children. Number name. First you will write 600. 6 is in hundreds place, no children. 600. And 24. 624. TWENTY 24. See, in line, no place. If you write in down, don't adjust there itself. Write neatly. One finger space, leave one finger space. 600, leave one finger space and write and 24. 624. First one. This is first one, children. Second one. Second one, see the ones column. In first spike, how many bits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 bits are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Second spike, 6 is there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In first spike, 2 bits are there. 1, 2. So now how will write a number? Number you will write. Number. See in ones column 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Before 8 you want to write 6. 1, 2. So 268. Number name is 268. 200. 100 spelling HUNDRED. 200 and 60 spelling SIXTY 60. 8 EIGHT. 68. 268. Like that you want to write. We'll go to page number 120. Finish it neatly, children. Without spelling mistakes, you want to write. I'll go to third sum, page number 120. Page number 120. Third one. Third one, in ones column, how many bits are there? 2. 1, 2. In second spike, 4 bits. 1, 2, 3, 4. In third spike, 5 bits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now count the bits and write the number. Number first, children. Number you want to write. Number. In ones column, how many bits is there? 2. Before 2, you want to write tens number. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So many are writing after 2, after 4, after 5, like that. That is wrong, children. You want to write before 2. First you write 2, after the tens, after you want to write 100. So 542. Number name. Number name. Number name, what we'll write is 5 is in hundreds place. So 500 and 42. F-O-R-T-Y 40. T-W-O-2 42. 542. Fourth one. Fourth one in one first spike, 4 bits are there. Second spike, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In hundreds, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 bits are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So number what you will write here? First one, 1, 2, 3, 4. Before 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So number name is 900. 900 spelling N-I-N-E 900. H-U-N-D-R-E-D 900 and 84 E-I-G-H-T-Y 80 F-O-U-R 4 804 984. Fifth one now children. Fifth one. Fifth one is first spike how many bits? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. In second spike 2. In first spike 1. So number what you will write? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Here 1. So number name is 100 and 24. T-W-E-N-T-Y 20 F-O-U-R 24. Now sixth one. First spike, how many bits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 bits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In second spike, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In first spike, third spike, 1, 2, 3. So number is, number what we will write here? First one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. So 366, 7 number names. N-U-M-B-E-R number. N-A-M-E-S number names. 300 T-H-R-E-E 3 H-U-N-D-R-E-D 300 and 67 S-I-X-T-Y 60 S-E-V-E-N 67 367. Now next main is draw the beads to show the number. Now finish it neatly children. I will give 2 minutes. After that we will go to next main. 4, 5 is there. See in this main the given numbers you want to write the beads. Draw the beads. Shall I up children? Now for children. Next main, page number 120 only. Draw the beads to show the number. Draw the beads to show the number. See, abacus instrument they given. You want to draw the beads. First one number is 763. Second one 854. Third one 207. 930. 197. Understood, children? See, they given like this, no? They are given number also. You want to draw the beads. See, in first spike, how many beads will be draw? How many beads you will draw, children? 3. See, first spike, 3 beads. 1, 2, 3. Second spike, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In third spike, this is the hundreds place, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Understood, children? Like that only you want to this 4 also you want to do. 4. In first one, 1, 2, 3, 4. Second one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 0. 0 is there. So in second tens column no beads are there. Here hundreds. 1, 2. Here 0 means you want to leave like this only. Go to tens column 3. 1, 2, 3. 9 in hundreds place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 9 in tens column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here 1. Finish it neatly, children. See, they already given number. You want to draw the beads. In first spike, you want to put 3 beads. Second spike, 6 beads. In third spike, 7 beads. Understood, children? Now, I'll give homework. Last class, what I gave, page number 109, 501 to 600, I gave children. Now, page number 111, complete page number, max homework, this one, max homework. Max homework, complete page number 111, 111, that is 601 to 700. 601 to 700. Thank you, children.